long line of Chinese lanterns in preparation for this weekend's festivities. Chimpi Mai? Yeah, it's gonna be good. Di Ma. These are in the name of Chinese New Year. So tonight's the night that Tong starts getting things going for tomorrow for the Chinese cakes. So during the course of tonight, what he's going to do, I'll just switch this around for a second. There we go. He's going to take all these tables out and prepare this space, and both cats as well. And then he's going to start mixing stuff. Now this is flour here, and all those boxes underneath it are flour, and I'm guessing this is ingredients as well. Big part of this exercise is packing as well. This is sugar from start to finish. So he's going to be baking, mixing it all together in this machine here. And that's how he's going to make his cakes. But the labor-intensive stuff is really going to be about packaging. Isn't it, Kitty? Kitty. So this is where the little restaurant is, and it's been sort of repurposed to be a little factory today. You'll see. Ready, Crab? Are you there? So that is a Chinese cake, isn't it? This is free. $600. How many years have you been doing this? 15 years.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Do you think you'll have to work the whole night?
Yes.
Wow.
For you?
Oh, it's for me. So this is my chef's taster. Look at that. I'm guessing it tastes like strawberry. One for me. Thank you. That's the name in Thailand.
Yes.
Boi Pai.
Boi Pai.
Boi Pai. There you go. Boi Pai. I was seriously thinking to myself on the way down here, I should have had breakfast before I came. But I think I'm pretty glad that I didn't. This is the next batch, already mixing. Carry on making these cakes throughout the night. This bedding isn't just put here by mistake, it's actually here for a specific reason. This is where they're going to try and get like 20 minutes sleep in between baking, so that they can last the night out. deserve good things to happen. Chinese New Year. So where did you learn to do this?
อะไรนะ
ท
ทำเค้ก
ำกัดนม
ขนมเค้ก
กัดนม
20 years ago
20 years ago.
make bakery cake and bread and cookie
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cookie.
and cheese
Cookie.
cheese
and
bakery
cheese ด้วย
All right.
ตองชีสเบเกอรี่
So she taught you. Yes.
ค่าแรงแอมมันยังไม่ตื่นเล
อ๋อย ปั่นสลีปอยู่
Oh.
แดด
เป็น
เปย์มันนี่อยู่ฉี่แล้ว
But she.
ฉี่แล้วโนชีสลีป
ถ้าบอกไข่หมดจะให้หนูไว้ก่อนเหรอ
วันนี้วันที่7
There you go. Just in case you didn't think it was a family business, this is the champion, world champion egg breaker. There we go. This is how we communicate. Small pieces at night. Still hard at work. Ah. Oh, packing. And a lovely little ornamental doily, which is typically Chinese, I would say. Looks like a little Chinese hat. And I'm off to the mall because I want to see if there's any festivities going down there. I could honestly just sit here and watch this junction and marvel at how somehow nobody collides with it. สวัสดีครับ
ภาษาอย่างไร
70%
70% through. You should finish before midnight. I think 70%.
70 but that's safe.
That's not bad. This is their industry. Tomorrow there'll be a restaurant again.